Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the future, specifically the year 2050. Let's explore 20 groundbreaking innovations that will shape our world. First up, artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Picture AI systems that can learn and perform any intellectual task a human can. From revolutionizing education to transforming healthcare, AGI will be a game changer. Next, advanced human-computer integration. Imagine controlling devices with your thoughts, thanks to brain-computer interfaces like Elon Musk's Neuralink. Quantum computing is another big one. These machines could solve complex problems in seconds, problems that classical computers would take thousands of years to crack. By 2050, autonomous vehicles won't just be a novelty. They'll dominate our roads. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones will reduce accidents, improve traffic flow, and disrupt logistics and personal transportation. Hyperloop and other next-gen transport systems are set to make near-supersonic travel between major cities a reality. 3D printing will revolutionize manufacturing. From houses and cars to human organs, on-demand production will transform healthcare, construction, and aerospace industries. In healthcare, personalized medicine will become the norm. Treatments tailored to your genetic makeup, advanced prosthetics, and biotech enhancements could even slow or reverse aging. Space colonization isn't just sci-fi anymore. By 2050, we might have colonies on the Moon, Mars, or other celestial bodies, driven by companies like SpaceX and NASA. Climate engineering technologies will help counteract climate change. From solar radiation management to carbon capture, these innovations will work alongside renewable energy breakthroughs. Smart cities will be everywhere. IoT will monitor and optimize traffic, energy, waste, and security, making urban environments more efficient and sustainable. Fusion energy could provide nearly limitless clean energy. If operational by 2050, fusion reactors will revolutionize the energy industry and tackle global energy problems. Advanced robotics and automation will be commonplace. From human-like robots in elder care to automated household tasks, this tech will change labor markets and daily life. Virtual and augmented reality will blend seamlessly into our lives. Work, education, entertainment, and social interactions will become immersive experiences, blurring the digital and physical worlds. Smart wearables and implantables will monitor health in real time. These devices will track biometric data and perform corrective actions like insulin injections or heart rhythm adjustments. Synthetic biology will allow scientists to program life like computers. New forms of life for medical, agricultural, and environmental purposes will become possible. Nanotechnology will revolutionize medicine and industry. Nanorobots will repair tissues and target cancer cells, while nanomaterials will create stronger, lighter, and more efficient industrial products. With 6G and beyond, universal connectivity will be a reality. Even the most remote areas will connect to the digital economy, education, and healthcare services. Cryptocurrencies will evolve to be more decentralized and quantum-resistant. This could replace traditional financial systems with a secure, transparent digital economy. AI-powered sensors will monitor ecosystems in real time, managing water resources, preventing deforestation, and monitoring wildlife will become more effective. Finally, bionic enhancements of human augmentation will be a thing. Bionic limbs, exoskeletons, and gene editing technologies like CRISPR will enhance our physical and mental abilities. By 2050, these innovations will converge, altering human life, society, and the global economy. But with these advancements come ethical, social, and regulatory challenges we must address. Exciting times ahead, right? Stay curious and keep exploring the future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay tech savvy.